Go to sports now, and cricket fans in the UK are celebrating England's first ever World Cup. It beat New Zealand in a heart-stopping final match. The two sides tied twice during their 50-over innings. Both England and New Zealand scored 240 runs.
The two teams then faced off in a winner-takes-all super over. And this was the moment England claimed victory at Lord's Cricket Ground. Both teams had scored 15 runs each, but England took home the trophy because they had scored more boundaries in the match.
You always sometimes think in the back of your mind, is that team where you can't go on to win a trophy, so to go through all that and to get beat a few times, and it was meant to be, and to come to win this in such a dramatic fashion. It was on obviously TV, everyone got to see that. Hopefully it brings passion back to the game in England, and everyone is happy by it, gets behind us, and hopefully the kids watch it and want to play cricket again.